Hey there, this is Nick with DraftBit. You're joining me for Introduction to DraftBit, Part 5, Previewing and Sharing. If you missed parts 1 through 4 of Introduction to DraftBit, I definitely invite you to head on back to Part 1 and watch those tutorials before joining me here in Part 5. This tutorial series is cumulative. In Part 1, we covered design and layout in DraftBit. In Part 2, we covered navigation. In Part 3, we covered connecting data to your DraftBit app. And in Part 4, we covered adding interactions to your app. So now that we've got this MVP of an Instagram clone app that we're calling PicBit, our next step should be to preview it in preview mode, and then also we may want to share it with others. So that's what I'm going to cover today. By now you know that as you're building, we give you 4 different preview modes: Draft View, Web Preview, iOS Preview, and Android Preview. These are different preview modes that are designed to help you, as you're building, see the impact of the changes that you're making to your app. DraftBit also gives you another building preview tool called Live Preview. Live Preview allows you to preview your build as you're building on your own mobile device. So with Expo installed on your iOS or Android device, you can scan this QR code and pull up your app, interact with it, test it on your own device as you're building. Today, I want to introduce you to yet another preview mode by clicking the Preview tab in the DraftBit Builder. DraftBit is going to spin up emulators for web, iOS, and Android, and it's going to launch from the home screen of your app, which for our tutorial is this PicBit splash screen. Preview mode is designed to give you a side-by-side view of your app in all 3 different modes, so you can see the impact of design choices on the different operating systems. It's a quick and simple way that allows you to see what your build is going to look like on a real device without needing to publish to the App Store or to TestFlight or anywhere else. So this is all great if I want to test and preview myself, but let's say that I wanted to share this app preview with other people and get their feedback on my build. Well, thankfully, DraftBit has this handy Share App mode. When I click this Share App button in the top toolbar, it gives me the ability to create a unique URL for my app project that I can share with others. When you share this URL with other people, they'll be able to launch your app in their own browser and even test it on their own device. As you make upgrades to your app, make sure that before you share your app, you are clicking this Update Shared link to refresh the app files to the latest version of your app. This URL will always stay the same, so no matter how many times you update your app, the latest version will always be available at the original link that you shared with people. We also invite you to share your app with our user community. If you go to community.draftbit.com, visit the Showcase channel, post your Share App link, and get some great feedback from our team and other fellow builders in the DraftBit ecosystem. That's a quick overview of previewing and sharing in DraftBit. In the next and final tutorial in Introduction to DraftBit, I'm going to cover publishing your app. See you soon.